guys, it is IPSY time. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget, if you're new, click that bell, subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell right down there, or down there, or down there. It's down there to get notified of future videos so you can join our journey. And let me see, share because sharing is caring. Smash that like button because it helps your girl's channel out, and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Let's jump in to IPSY. Everybody knows when you see your envelope, the shiny little thing in the mail, it is IPSY time. So, IPSY is a $10 subscription a month. You get sample sizes of different items. I think it's okay. Like all subscriptions, it's hit or miss. I'm not super happy with IPSY. It was great at the beginning. I've been with them for a really, really long time. Not affiliated or sponsored, by the way. We get some really good stuff from time to time, and then they kind of like fall off, and it's a little, I don't know, disappointing. And you never want to be disappointed, with your items. But like I said, it's a hit or miss. Sometimes we get really awesome items. Sometimes we get like really crappy items. But like I said, that's life. Life is hit or miss. Nothing is ever perfect, right? So we're going to jump into this. You guys know how I do. I try on whatever I can try on, and I let you know how I feel about it. So the first thing that I got in my IPSY bag this month was this Apto Moisture Retaining Day Lotion, and it's for dry or combination skin. It says here really tiny, in really tiny writing. It says directions: massage a small amount of lotion on the skin, gentle upward motions, moving from the neck up, into your hairline, basically. It actually states here that this locks in moisture. Not only does it put moisture, but it locks it in. It has anti-inflammatory properties of green tea, and chamomile. Wow, extracts. I did try it. It felt pretty good on the skin, but I'm gonna leave this on the side as a travel thing because I am on a new skincare regimen, which I'm gonna share with you guys soon because I'm excited. And yeah, but it felt good. I did try it and it felt really good. I'm not a big fan of the smell. It's not a lingering scent or a really strong scent, but you smell it when you put it on, and I don't like it. Anyways, let's move on. The next thing I got is from Naked Cosmetics, and this is a lip scrub. It's vanilla cream, and it looks just like this. And it's just a scrub. You can see that I was already messing with it. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it on my lips. My lips are super soft right now. They feel nice. So I like this. I'm happy I got that. The next item that I have in my package is this Mellow Precision Pen Liner. And it's just a black liner, and it looks like this. And there you go. It's a felt tip, and that is the tip right there. So, I mean, I tried it before, and then I had washed my hands. I forgot about it, and it kind of stood. I don't know if it's actually waterproof. It might be water resistant. It doesn't say in the package, and you guys know that we get this card, but it has no info on it. The card just says unzipped. And there's a bunch of beautiful women in lingerie, basically, just being unzipped, showing their true selves. And everyone here is absolutely beautiful. It says in the back, being sexy isn't limited to certain size, shape, or age. And it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. The way we see it, sexiness is authenticity. It's real. It's confidence. It's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty. It's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be and embracing everything you are. This month, let's unzip the way we think about being sexy. Let's define it in our own terms. No rules, no Photoshop, no restrictions, just 100% sexiness. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful message. All right. So I already have eyeshadow on. I haven't done my brows, but I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes really quickly. I'm gonna do a wing liner. So let's do this. Alright guys, so I'm back and I have my lashes on and I did my liner. Now, it's not the darkest of liners. It's not really intense black, but it's okay. I can't tell you much about it like long term because I'm doing this, you know, chit chat. I'm just telling you about the items, first impression. The next item we have is this, it's called a Mask. It's by Mask, the company. And this is a pigment, a foiled again. Well, that's the name again, foiled again, that's the name of it. And it is a glitter pigment. It is beautiful. It has glitter in it, you see that? But once you wet it or put glue and you kind of like pack it on there, it is a foil. It's absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna wet my finger so you can see. And I'm just using the Morphe spray. Oh my God, look at that, wet. I'm gonna use the next item that we got and the last item in our IPSY bag. And it is a Luxie 249 brush, and it is a double-ended brush. One has a tapered, kind of like fluffy, blending, flat brush. And then the next item is this beautiful blending brush. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom lash, but I'm not doing much to it. I'm gonna leave it pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the flatter side of the brush, and I'm just gonna put kind of like the same tones that I have up on top, right at the bottom. I'm gonna use glue because your girl got hooded eyes. So I'm using this is the Hard Candy glitter glue. I'm so excited about this pigment. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm gonna go and grab a smaller brush. I'm just gonna grab a Real Techniques detailer brush. Since I already have my lashes on, I don't wanna go in with my finger. And I'm gonna just place that right in the middle. Woo! I am so loving this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the pigment with a little bit of glue. I'm gonna go ahead and place that right in my inner corner. All right, guys, I'm gonna go away. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna finish this look up, put some lipstick on, and I'll be right back. Could you believe that I forgot to show you this month's bag? Ooh, look at this. Ooh, I'm matchy-matchy with my bag. So it is a blush colored bag, which I like, but I don't like because I already got it dirty. But I love this lace front that it has here. It's so, like, I don't know. It reminds me of something very classy. Like the gist of this, I actually like all the products in our IPSY bag this month. And usually there's always a miss in my bag. And honestly, there really wasn't. I like everything. I love the brush. I actually like this cream. Like I said, I'm not gonna use it because I am on a regimen right now. Here's the thing. I love this. I absolutely love this right here, this pigment. It is so beautiful. I really like everything in our bag. The only thing that I'm a little off on is this liner, but it's not the worst liner in the world either. It's not the darkest, it's not the greatest, but it's not the worst. And when I rate things on, you know, did they not work at all? Were they the worst items? That's how I rate things. And this wasn't the worst item. So it's okay. So in total, I really like this month's bag. I love the bag, the actual bag, and all the items. They're pretty good. Well, guys, this is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoy this look. I hope you come back. I hope that you join us in this journey that we're on. I am so excited to be back. And actually, I gotta run now because I gotta go see my son, and he gets to see me like this. Oh, I'm made up because I have to go see him at school actually with these wicked brows that I did. I don't know what's going on. This is what happens when you don't wear makeup for like 3 or 4 weeks. Don't forget, guys, that I have a giveaway going on. So make sure that you share, let everybody know. And until the next one, I will leave everything linked down in the description bar. Don't forget, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you have a comment section. Go ahead and use it. I love ya. Bye. Bye, YouTube. Peace.